My name is Leslie, and I'm going to be preparing raspberry balsamic chicken. To begin preparing the raspberry balsamic chicken, we'll start with a little bit of olive oil in the pan. And we'll add our red onion, about 1 cup. And some chopped thyme to taste. A few sprigs will be fine, it's just for seasoning. So we added a little bit of olive oil to the pan, and we're going to put about 1 cup of chopped red onion and a few sprigs of fresh thyme. And we just want to get that a little bit tender before we add the rest of the ingredients. Once the red onion is tender, we'll sprinkle it with a little bit of black pepper and add 2 jars of 100% all natural fruit, seedless, free raspberry jelly or preserves. And what you want to do is you'll continue cooking this until it liquefies, and you'll have a sauce that is very tasty and healthy to pour on top of your chicken breasts or chicken tenders, whichever you prefer. While you're waiting for the jelly or preserves to liquefy, you're going to add 4 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Hopefully that comes out. And you just wait for that to liquefy. And you'll pour it on top of your chicken. Here are our chicken tenders, or you can use breasts. And you'll bake it for 45 minutes on 350 in the oven.